Hello, I understand that you chose to watch this video because you want to know exactly what a smart contract is. Now, I know that you know what smart means. I know that you know what a contract is, but the phrase smart contract makes it a bit confusing. So what the hell is a smart contract, and why is it that in cryptocurrency such phrases mean something totally different? Today you shall know exactly what a smart contract is and how you can use your knowledge of a smart contract to understand what cryptocurrency deserves your money. My name is Eve, as you may know, and on this channel I try my best to make crypto so simple that a 5-year-old can understand. So if that's what you're interested in, well, you know what to do with the like and subscribe button. To put simply, a smart contract is a program that will trigger when two conditions are met. To make you understand, imagine buying something from eBay. You see, when you're buying something from eBay, there is this problem of who will come to take or who will come to give. Let's say you want to buy a computer from eBay, a laptop. Now, there may be this problem of the buyer saying that you must come to collect, and you may say that no, the buyer must come to give you the laptop. Now, what a smart contract does is it is the middle person who will come and collect and give cash to both parties. This is simply what a smart contract is. It is a program. So when you hear of a smart contract cryptocurrency, it means that this is a cryptocurrency that supports this type of program. The goal of cryptocurrency is to take away the middleman. What do I mean by that? When you log into an exchange, let's say Binance. Now, you put money in your Binance account. Binance is an exchange that is owned by someone or a group of people, which means they can govern the way your funds are being spent. They can freeze your account. The goal of a smart contract is to replace these third parties. If you want to buy a cryptocurrency from an exchange, there must be someone willing to sell the particular cryptocurrency that you are trying to buy. Now, Binance is the broker who is standing between you, the buyer, and the seller to make sure that this transaction goes through. What a smart contract does is it replaces this broker. And in this case, the smart contract is not owned by anyone and cannot be changed. Remember, a smart contract is simply a program that is made to act or to trigger when two conditions are met. So if you have a buyer who wants to buy a cryptocurrency and you have a seller who wants to sell a cryptocurrency at a particular value, once these two conditions are met, the smart contract will make sure that this transaction takes place. Now, that is simply what a smart contract is. So cryptocurrencies like Cardano, Solana, Avalanche, Ethereum are smart contract cryptocurrencies. They have different dates at which these programs will be implemented in their blockchain, but they are programmed to support smart contracts. So that is simply what a smart contract is. This is removing all the technicalities behind it, but this is what a smart contract is. It is simply a program that triggers when two conditions are met. If you did enjoy the video, I'd like to keep this video short because, well, it's just a definition. But if you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and a subscribe. See you guys in the next video. And if you have any other concerns or any other questions, do let me know in the comments. I will be happy to answer every comment. And I could even make a video with the concerns that you may have. See you guys in the next video.